Alright folks, today's video we're going to be reviewing the SnapFresh cordless leaf blower. I also am reviewing their Weed Whacker cordless 20 volt as well. Batteries are interchangeable between the different options, so that's fantastic. Weed whack and then use your cordless leaf blower to blow all your grass shavings out of your yard to make it look more beautiful. Without further ado, let's just get right on into it here. You got your battery instructions right here, your use manual right here. Once again, this is a 20 volt battery powered leaf blower. Motor right here, your battery snaps in right here. You got your fan underneath right here. You got your click on 2-level power, 1 and 2. In this box is gonna be our charger here. And this is a 20 volt charger with a red and green indicator light for when your battery is charged. We have one of our tubes here, our other tube here, and then we have our 20 volt 2 amp battery here. This is the same battery that comes with the Weed Whacker as well. It does have battery indicator lights right here on the battery as well. That means we're 50% charged. We need to put this on the charger fully and charge that up before we do give it a rip. We have a little push button, just like your other power tool batteries there. Again, 20 volt lithium ion battery, 2 amp hour. So that clips right underneath like that, clips into place. Again, power 1, power 2, nice and beefy. So let's go ahead and go over some important specs with you right here. Once again, 20 volt. Level 1 is 60 mile an hour air velocity. Number 2, we just heard, is 130 mile per hour wind velocity. Weight is 1.22 kilograms. The sound pressure, sound power level, vibration value, if you guys are interested in that. SnapFresh also does sell a 20 volt 4 amp hour lithium ion battery if you want to upgrade. There are the specs of the battery we've already mentioned, the charging time, charger output, you guys can pause that. Okay, so first and foremost, that clicks on place right there. Then this one has a little notch right here and right there. That clicks into place just like that there, giving you a slight uptick right there. Great, again, for on the ground, but giving you a slight little raise up to be able to get your yard shavings where they need to go. Nice and compact in my hand. It looks like another high-end name brand as well. Battery clicks out, clicks into place as well. Again, nice and small as you can see from the motor. We're gonna go ahead and fully charge this battery. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, make a long story short, we had some hail damage about a month ago. I have beautiful aspen trees, but unfortunately when the hail hit, not to mention the roof, all the debris comes down. And guess what? My leaf blower has come in handy, absolutely. Not to mention when there's just junk from the wind. It gets a little bit windy out here. And I just took a long session with the Weed Whacker. Definitely check out that video already up on the channel by SnapFresh as well. The batteries are compatible for Swippy Swappies. As you can see here, I have already done the entryway. Now my landscaping is not fully done yet. This is a full remodel, and due to hail damage, we have some repairs to do, but we're taking one project at a time. So let's go ahead and clean off this front porch and entryway. Now out here in the country, we get the thick straw type of grass, but where I'm from in California, if you're just cutting your lawn, you're gonna have no issues at all. I did get stumped a little bit out that direction with some big clumps. I kind of had to just kind of kick with my foot a little bit to get moving. I am on probably the last 20% of the battery as well, so you'll actually see the juice kind of start to slow down a little bit, even on the higher setting. That is the only con of a battery powered one, is you're just not gonna get as beefy and power like you do with a plug-in electric or gas powered, but the convenience factor as well. Again, I've cleaned snow off my front porch. I actually did it last winter. I blew the snow off my lanterns and my outdoor sockets, my door, just to prevent any snow buildup. And obviously we're fixing this right now. Well, overall, the SnapFresh products do a good job. The only thing they are, again, lacking is a little bit extra power, and you'll notice that when you ever use a plug-in electric device again. But again, for battery powered, it does a good job. Top link in the description box below will be this exact same leaf blower, as well as the weed whacker. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as landscaping this property, the full remodel of this property as well. I already have videos putting in doors, porch lights. We're going to be redoing the deck, planting, landscaping, etc. So make sure you are subscribed for that. Once again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.